Hey everyone! Today, we're reviewing Clean Nutraceuticals Shilajit, a supplement that claims to boost energy, testosterone, brain function, and overall vitality. We've tested it consistently, and here's what we found. Shilajit is a mineral-rich resin often used in traditional medicine, and this brand delivers it in capsule form. After several weeks, we noticed improved energy during the day, slightly better workout endurance, and a general feeling of sharper focus. It didn't feel like a stimulant but more of a steady natural boost. The pros are that it's convenient in capsule form, provides trace minerals alongside fulvic acid, and feels like a clean energy enhancer. The cons are that results are subtle. It's not a dramatic change. Some people report mild digestive discomfort, and quality can vary between batches since Shilajit sourcing isn't always standardized. Overall, Clean Nutraceuticals Shilajit isn't a scam. It delivers steady support if you're patient, but it's not an overnight miracle. It's a supplement for long-term wellness seekers, not quick fix hunters. This has been how to literally keep things smart and simple and scam-free.